Life begins with a touch, with a single drop falling to the earth. A silent miracle begins to sprout. In that moment, the world takes a breath, and time takes on a new meaning. Every beginning is the echo of a belief. In every breath, there is hope. In every heartbeat, there lies a story. Because life is a manifesto hidden within the very first drop. At Aytok, we don't just filter water. We know that life is hidden within every drop. Our journey began in 1997, producing plastic drip irrigation parts and metal filtration systems. In a small workshop with a big dream. And today, we manufacture in modern facilities where technology meets engineering. In every part, we craft dedication. In every filter, we shape the future. Growing with technology, we bring innovations to life through our R&D power. For us, production is not just a process, it is a responsibility. At every step, we aim for perfection and make reliability our standard. Our products undergo comprehensive quality control tests. Because for us, quality is not an option. It is a deep-rooted tradition. With a mission to be the pioneering brand of firsts, Aytok leads with electrostatic painting technology, the first domestic plastic filters, automatic self-cleaning filters, robotic welding technology, and its self-developed Flushcore control unit. By producing the world's first plastic hydrocyclone, the first plastic media filter, and the first plastic fertilizer tank in the irrigation sector, we have become the name of innovation, efficiency, and sustainable performance in filtration technology. We manufacture within the scope of the ISO 9001 Quality Management System, the ISO 45001 Occupational Health and Safety Management System, and TSE standards. We hold internationally recognized certificates and declarations, such as the CE Declaration of Conformity, EAC certification, and the Zero Waste Certificate. With its professional management staff and experienced white and blue-collar technical teams, Aytok is today a powerful brand, actively exporting to more than 90 countries. Without sustainability, there is no future. That is why we prioritize clean energy and environmentally friendly processes in our production. Aytok Filter, beyond filtration, beyond limits.